Hello and welcome back to the channel once again. The name is Guru here with another tutorial on how to remove Google account verification or factory reset protection on your Huawei device. So if you did hard reset your device, you are going to be prompted with this pop-up message that you did factory reset your device, and it might oppose some security risks to your device, so you need to verify your identity in order to have your device being activated to the home screen. So if you do remember your previous Google account or the previous security lock which was being set on this device before hard resetting your device, then you can simply provide such details and have your device being unlocked. If you forgot all this information, then you need to follow along with my tutorial. First, you have to shut down your device, and if at some point you do try the safe mode method and it did not work out for you, trying to use the safe mode to bypass the factory reset protection lock, then make sure to watch my video to the end, as in this video I'm going to show you how you can get rid of the factory reset protection on your device. So first, in order to proceed further with this tutorial, you have to disassemble your device. So here I'm going to disassemble this device and use the test point. So make sure to check your device model. Once you know your device model, you can open unlockTool, and note that unlockTool is a paid tool. So once you are in unlockTool, move to the Huawei section. When you do move to the Huawei section, make sure to search for your device model. So here it's the Honor 8A. So I'm going to search for Honor 8A, and I'm going to find the list. You can verify with the model number as well to have the exact selection for your device. So once you've chosen the correct device model, now we have to click on Erase FRP. Once you do click on it, now we have to connect our device to the computer by pinpointing the test point of this Huawei Honor 8A. So you can check this image if you do have the same model and wait for the computer to detect your device. Once your device has been detected, it's going to exploit a device and erase FRP. Once that process is been done, your device should turn on, and if your device fails to turn on, make sure to unplug USB cable and also disable or unplug your battery and reconnect the battery, then turn on your device manually. So here I have my device turning on, and we need to wait till our device has been fully turned on. And some devices, after removing the FRP lock on your device should be on the home screen, and if it's still on the setup screen, then you have to set up your device. So here I'm going to set up my device, and you're going to see that I'm not going to be prompted with any factory reset protection on this device, as we've successfully removed any restriction on this device. So we are going to set up our device, and I'll catch you guys after the device has been successfully activated. And also don't forget to give a thumbs up if this video helped you out, and subscribe to the channel if you are interested in content like this. So we successfully activated our device, and at this point, if you want to unlock 2 lances, you can contact me. I'll leave a link in this video description to get unlocked 2 lances. Thanks for watching. The name is Guru. Peace out.